Are you a content creator looking to do overhead videos like this, but you are on a tight budget? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sean, your techie musician. And in today's video, we are gonna unbox this Ulanzi Vijim LS08 I bought from Lazada. But before we begin, let's roll the intro. It's my So this is the box. Up front, we can see the model number LS08, flexible arm, and the branding on top, and it's by Vijim. Also, Vijim is still by Ulanzi, where I bought most of my vlogging gears. So I quite trust the brand now. So opening up the box, this is what you'll get. You have the quick start guide along with a torque wrench. I believe this is what it's called. And the desk clamp and two arms. And lastly, there's the screws. So this is everything you'll get. I bought this from Lazada for 1,069 pesos plus 193 shipping. So the order total is around 1,262. Now the reason why I bought this is because I'm hoping to do some keyboard tutorials here on my channel, since my channel is all about tech and music. And since my desk is not so spacious enough, my Zoom tripod cannot fit in there, so I had to buy this, and I hope I can attach this to the printer platform above my laptop, and we will test it later. Now let's talk a bit about the material. This is made of solid metal, or I think this is alloy or whatever, but all I can say is this is quite sturdy. And this part where the clamp is what makes this part heavy to carry. But there's twist knob, this adjustment. Make sure you don't drop this thing or this might break, because I have some equipment with this type of knob that broke easily. I hope Ulanzi is not like that. And here we have our first extension arm. And if you want to put them together, you just screw them like this. Or like this. And since my studio desktop is not that big and not that spacious, so I bought this, and we will be testing the setup right now. So this is my setup up close, and the plan here is I want to put the flexible arm up there on that printer platform, which I have already tested last night. And the good thing is, using our current phone we are filming right now, we can get a good view of the entire keyboard from this end to the other end. So this makes for a perfect keyboard tutorial setup I will be doing in the future. So if you're planning to do the same, I can safely recommend this equipment, and the good thing is it's not too pricey. So now let's set it up. So that's that. And now for the final part of this video, I will be removing this phone and mounting it up there, up here, so that you can see the entire setup from above and to know what I mean. So now we've done setting up off screen, and to make sure that everything is straight, I used the grid lines of my camera app and line them up with the edges of the black keys to make sure that everything is straight. And as you can see here, from this angle, we can clearly see the entire keyboard and the 61 keys from first note to the end, and my hands when I'm playing the keyboard. This angle is good if you want to do overhead keyboard tutorials for your students or your viewers to see clearly what you are playing. And also this is good if you want to do overhead cover videos for the same reason. And now I will do a short demo of a song that I will be doing a tutorial one of these days. Let's keep it short to avoid copyright claim. So before that, I will turn down the volume of my mic so that my lav mic won't pick up the K noise while I'm playing. So there you go. Sorry for that mistake. at least we have seen the setup in action. And I kept it short, as I've said, to avoid copyright claims. And I also hope that when I will do the tutorial, we won't get a copyright claim, because YouTube now is so strict with content like this. So that brings us to the end of this video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down there, and also clicking the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of my future tech and music content. Again, this is Sean, your tech musician, and see you on my next video.